After 12 months of rigorous CAT preparation, how many of you got lucky to receive a B school call? Well, not to scare you up, but 2 out of 3 students get rejected directly in an interview. So you must be very excited to know how did the other students prepare who actually convert their B school call. Well, the answer is the personalized GDPI guidance. Now you must be very wondering where do I get this personalized GDPI guidance, right? The number one answer is my PrepZone. And I'm not just saying it, you can just have a look at the result. The 97% conversion rate, which is whopping the highest in India since last 4 years, is something that can vouch for it. They had 190 students last year and we were able to convert 183 students with their best dream B school call. Not just that, even for IIM EBC, 57 students out of 59 who have received a call converted IIM EBC. Okay, while I would talk about the secret of my PrepZone that helped us to fetch such a whopping conversion rate, but before that, this is what is included in their GDPI batch. So if you're someone who is yet to start, this is something which will be super useful for you. Even if you have one call, this is the place to invest in, because they have personalized mentorship, which no other coaching provides. Their mentors would help you for your SOP, answer reviews, form edits. They would give you a question bank. They'll help you with the graduation rapid fire events. They'll help you with daily current affairs. There would be sessions on maths, economics, statistics, finance, and everything. Okay. And the secret of their whopping result is their mentorship teams. They have a whopping network of over 80 GDPI mentors, and all of these mentors are the B school graduates. They all are graduates within last 5 years, so they bring in the fresh perspective as well as the experienced perspective to help you guys. Okay, so if this excites you, do not wait. The website to enroll is myprepzone.com. You can go there, visit there, and can register to their GDPI flagship batch. Over 180-190 students have already started their preparation with myprepzone.com. If you want to start, if you have any doubts, you can contact on the given number as well. Wish you all the best for your preparation.